Number 4 is Canon PIXMA G620 Wireless Megatank Printer. Do you want to print high-quality photos without breaking the bank? The Canon PIXMA G620 Wireless Megatank Printer is the perfect solution for printing needs. With its ability to print up to 3,800 4" by 6" color photos on a full set of ink, you can print to your heart's content without worrying about running out of ink. Moreover, this budget-friendly printer offers a low cost per print with an approximate ink cost of only 2.5 cents per 4" by 6" color photo. You can enjoy high-quality prints with a wider color gamut thanks to the 6-color dye-based ink system, which includes red and gray inks. This means that your photos will look stunning and vibrant with accurate colors that pop. Despite its impressive capabilities, the PIXMA G620 is designed to fit into almost any space with its clean, compact design. And with CHROMALIFE 100 technology, your photos will last long without fading, ensuring that your memories are preserved for years to come. In short, the Canon PIXMA G620 Wireless Megatank Printer is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to print high-quality photos without spending a fortune. It offers an unbeatable combination of affordability, quality, and convenience, making it the perfect addition to any home. If you want to purchase this printer right now, then check the link in the description box.